Hi, I'm Rick Johnson, Senior Director for the Veeam Cloud and Service Provider business within North America. And today, I'm with our gold sponsor, Iron Mountain. Claus, thank you for sponsoring. This is the second time you and I have been in Miami together. This is your first year as a gold sponsor. Many people know Iron Mountain, but in the technology space, why don't you start by telling us a little bit about Iron Mountain?
Absolutely. Thanks for having us here, Rick. So Iron Mountain, we're about 70 years old, started out in 1951. I think everybody knows us from our physical business, picking up records, storing tape, trucks running up and down the street. We're now the digital side of the house, and we're very focused on moving with our customers, embracing the digital transformation journey. And we're super excited to be here with you guys today and be sponsoring.
That's fantastic. That leads into the next thing, because, I used to see the Iron Mountain trucks.
Sure.
But you called out digital transformation and cloud. So maybe you tell us a bit more about the Iron Mountain today. I've seen the trucks. That's what I've known Iron Mountain for. But in the technology space, tell us a bit about the Iron Mountain of today.
Yeah, absolutely. Be happy to. So Iron Mountain started a data center business a number of years ago, and what we're very focused on is how do we best leverage those to help our customers. So we have data centers across North America, we have a joint venture in India, we have data centers in Europe, and we actually operate in 58 different countries. So we have the capability to deliver digital services around the globe, which is what most people are looking for. And I know a lot of people that are here today, they're not necessarily just from North America, they're from all over the world, and we have services in that space, right? So what we're finding is most people are moving from legacy backup products onto a more modern platform like Veeam. That creates a challenge for them. What do they do about their legacy backups? How do they get the data back, et cetera? We have what I think is a very exciting service. We've referred to it as digital restoration and migration services. It's quite a mouthful. We call it DRMS for short. What that does, it allows us to take over your legacy backups. You get rid of the infrastructure that goes with it, that big annoying tape library that sits in the data center. We have a business unit, we refer to it as asset lifecycle management. They can help get rid of that for you. And when we say get rid of it, we're trying to be environmentally responsible. So we don't just chop it into 1,000 little chunks. We actually market that asset as well, right? So if you've got a tape library, maybe somebody else needs it, we can sell that for you, help get some money back on it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So that's the part of the journey, and then that gets us to what can we do with Veeam? We're a service provider, so we offer the Veeam Cloud Connect product. You can send data to us using that. With version 12 that just came out, I think everybody's super excited about object storage. We have a very large healthcare payer. They're currently storing about 30 petabytes of data with us, which is a significant amount of data. Normally we talk terabytes, but this particular account is in the petabyte range, right? And then finally, we have a product that was built with the help of Veeam. We leverage your Veeam Cloud Connect product to get data to us, and then we do tape out as a service on the back end, and we call that product SOS. It's a cute play on the SOS, Secure Offline Storage, and it's really meant to be a copy of last resort in case you have a ransomware event, right? We offer you that air-gapped solution as well.
It ties in so well together, right? You guys have been in the information management systems for years. As customers start to make the migration to the cloud, hybrid cloud, public cloud, whatever the scenario is, you read the market signs, you're managing all this information previously, and now you're in the position to where you can deliver those very same services to your enterprise level customers. Are you seeing more enterprises, more governments? What are you seeing more in terms of the key profile of partners, customers that come to you?
Yeah, so most of our customers tend to be in very regulated industries, healthcare, legal. We have a lot of government customers as well. I think generally anybody who wants to move to the cloud feels secure about moving to the cloud and knowing where their data is. It's pretty unique for us. We own our data centers. We know where equipment sits. We know where we can point your data. That is a key value that we offer to our customers.
That's awesome. Now, so from a Veeam standpoint, we've got about 4,500 partners in North America. Roughly the top 50, you guys are one of them. So for me, this partnership is absolutely pivotal. We've gone from Iron Mountain. We now know you as the Iron Cloud and service offerings that you have. So a key partnership for us What does the Veeam partnership mean to you, Claus, as you go through this transformation?
Yeah, so we first started this journey 2 years ago, as you know. I think it's grown very rapidly for us. We've had a lot of our customers, first off, be very surprised because they don't realize that we have this partnership.
Yeah.
So that's why we're here, to wave the flag. I would encourage people to stop by the booth or check in virtually, find out what we offer. Iron Mountain or Iron Cloud, it's not Iron Mountain of yesteryear. It's very much a modern offering. And I think we can help people to deal with the challenges we see today, particularly around cyber threat events, ransomware recovery. And I think we've seen most of our customers actually move to the cloud because of our security posture, right? We were one of the first organizations to ever use the term zero trust.
Yeah.
Now everybody's using it. So we're about 8 years ahead of the curve. So I think you're right when you say we read the signs, we moved, and we're open for business, and we're looking to grow the relationship.
That's awesome. I thank you for the partnership. Thank you for sponsoring. So in my world, these organizations, the enterprises, the government, public sector, healthcare, fintech, they do have some complex problems. Iron Mountain's been at it for a long time. And obviously you've made the turn to evolve and provide the services and the needs that these organizations need. So is there anything that we've missed so far that you'd like the audience to hear? Because I've loved the transformation that you guys read the sign. You're now delivering complex outcomes, solution outcomes to complex problems. Is there anything else you'd like to share with the audience?
I think one of the things to look at, because we're an information management company, we take a very holistic view of the services we offer. Traditionally, most vendors will just say, just back it all up. We take a slightly different approach. How about we help you clean house, minimize the amount of data that you're storing and that you're protecting. Ultimately, that's going to get you to a faster RTO and RPO when you're trying to bring your data back. It also avoids those unfortunate litigation exercises where you have data you really shouldn't have. And we have a very large information governance practice that can actually help you make sense of the world, if you will. And we partner with a number of Veeam partners that offer professional services as well. So if you feel like you have a problem in your backup environment, you need help with that, that's something we can address for you as well.
That's awesome. Claus, thank you. Thank you for sponsoring again. Thank you for being here today. It's a good chat. I learn something new every time we talk.
All right, great being with you, Rick. Thank you.